Eighth chapter, inverse trigonometric functions. In this chapter belongs to mathematics 1A, part 1. Last chapter completed trigonometric equation. That chapter having only 4 marks in IB examination. In this inverse trigonometric function also we come into the only 4 marks problem in IB examination. What is the definition of inverse? If a trigonometric function is said to be inverse trigonometric function, it satisfies one function and onto function. One function also be called injection, onto function also be called surjection. Nothing but if the trigonometric function is a inverse trigonometric function, that function compulsory satisfied bijection. Nothing but injection and surjection. That is the definition. Next, in this inverse trigonometric function, what is the domain? What is the range? Inverse trigonometric function total 6: sine inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x, secant inverse x, cosecant inverse x. In this function, sine inverse x value is minus 1, 1 is domain, minus pi by 2, pi by 2 closed interval is range. Cos inverse x domain is closed interval minus 1, 1, range is closed interval 0, pi. Tan inverse x domain is real number, nothing but capital R. Range is open interval minus pi by 2, pi by 2. Next, cot inverse x domain is real number, capital R. Range is open interval 0, pi. Secant inverse x domain is real number minus 1, 1 interval. Minus 1, 1 interval deleted real number, nothing but range is minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. This is the range of secant inverse and cosecant inverse. This is also written as real number minus 1, 1. Next, secant inverse x range is this is domain. What is the range of this secant inverse x? 0, pi closed interval. You can eliminate pi by 2, removing pi by 2. 0 to 180 between 90 degrees you can remove it. That is the range of secant inverse x. Cosecant inverse x range is minus pi by 2, pi by 2 interval removing 0. Minus pi by 2, pi by 2 interval removing 0. This is the range of cosecant inverse x. Simple trigonometric function range and domain. You know, inverse trigonometry interchangeable. In this inverse trigonometry, range can be domain, domain can be range. That's why you can write in this table. This is very important by using solve the problems. Next, some important formulas of the inverse trigonometry functions. What is the first formula? Sine inverse x is equal to cosecant inverse 1 by x. In this equation can be satisfied as x belongs to minus 1, 0 union 0, 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 having closed bracket, 0 having open bracket. Cos inverse x is equal to secant inverse 1 by x. For x belongs to closed bracket minus 1, 0 open bracket union open bracket 0, closed bracket 1. Tan inverse x having two cases. If x value greater than 0, nothing but x value positive, you get cot inverse of 1 by x. If x value is negative, cot inverse of 1 by x minus pi. Next one is sine inverse of sine theta. Sine get cancel theta. In this case, theta belongs to minus pi by 2, pi by 2. Cos inverse of cos theta value is theta. In this case, theta belongs to 0, pi. Tan inverse of tan theta value is theta. In this case, theta belongs to minus pi by 2, pi by 2. Cot inverse of cot theta equal to theta. In this case, theta value is 0, comma pi interval. Secant inverse of secant theta is equal to theta. In this case, theta belongs to closed bracket 0, comma open bracket pi by 2 union open bracket pi by 2, comma closed bracket pi. Cosecant inverse of cosecant theta value is theta. In this case, theta value closed bracket 0, comma open bracket pi by 2 open bracket pi by 2, comma closed bracket pi. These are the important formulas of the inverse trigonometry. Next to some more formula is that sin inverse of cos theta is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. In this case, theta belongs to 0, comma pi. Similarly, cos inverse of sin theta, that is also be pi by 2 minus theta. In this case, theta belongs to minus pi by 2, comma pi by 2. Tan inverse of cot theta is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. In this case, theta belongs to 0, comma pi open interval. Cot inverse of tan theta is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. In this case, theta belongs to open bracket minus pi by 2, comma pi by 2. Secant inverse of cosecant theta is equal to once again pi by 2 minus theta. In this case, theta belongs to closed bracket minus pi by 2 to open bracket 0, open bracket 0 to closed bracket pi by 2. Cosecant inverse of secant theta is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. In this case, theta belongs to closed bracket 0 to open bracket pi by 2 union open bracket pi by 2 to closed bracket pi. These are the very important important formulas of the you can do that inverse trigonometry function model problems. That's why these all formulas you can read and write perfectly 5 times or 10 times or 100 times, that is your wish. You can read and write perfectly all formulas by headed. You get easily understood inverse trigonometry function problems. Otherwise, that problems are very difficult. Okay, friends. In this inverse trigonometry function having only one exercise, that is exercise 88. Only one exercise. That exercise coming to the 4 marks question in IPE examination. That's why these are these 6 formulas are very useful. These 6 formulas are very useful. These formulas also be sometimes useful, but these formulas are very useful. You can find the inverse trigonometry function model problems. Next important formulas are, first formula, sin inverse of minus x is equal to minus sin inverse x. Here x belongs to minus 1 comma 1 closed bracket. Cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse of x. In this case, x lies minus 1 comma 1 only. Similarly, tan inverse of minus x is equal to minus tan inverse x. In this case, x belongs to a real number. Cot inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. In this case, similarly, x also belongs to real number. Secant inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus secant inverse x. In this case, x value lies between minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Cosecant inverse x is equal to minus cosecant inverse x. In this case, x value lies between minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. These also be very useful formulas. You can find the problems of the inverse trigonometry functions. Next, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. In this case, x belongs to minus 1 comma 1. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x or cos inverse x plus sin inverse x equal to pi by 2. Next one is tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. In this case, x is a real number, x belongs to real number, in this condition can be possible. After that, secant inverse x, cosecant inverse x, secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x equal to pi by 2. In this case, x value lies minus infinity to minus 1, union 1 to infinity. These three formulas also be relation between sin inverse and cos inverse, tan inverse and cot inverse, secant inverse and cosecant inverse relation. These also be very useful. You can identify the trigonometry function problems. Next one is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. This is a very important formula. In this formula, x, y both are less than 0. Nothing but x, y both values are negative values, and xy multiply with xy value is less than 1. In this formula can be applicable this condition only. Similarly, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. This is also be one more important formula. What is the difference between these two? Here plus is there, here minus is there. Just one difference. These two formulas are very useful in this model problems are compulsory coming to the 90% in IB examination. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. In this case, the product of the xy value is less than minus 1. The two formulas are read and write perfectly. You get easily understood in this model problem. This is the introduction of the inverse trigonometry function. Some important formulas are explained, read and write that formulas perfectly. You get easily understood inverse trigonometry function.